Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
As we drive along Florida's Highway 98 through Mary Esther, we find a charming city nestled between Fort Walton Beach and Navarre. Mary Esther's story begins in 1842 when Jesse Rogers and his family settled here, bringing their cattle to the shores of Santa Rosa Sound. Later, in the mid-1850s, John Newton, a minister and teacher, arrived and established the first school, which also served as a church during the Civil War. In 1871, Newton opened the area's first post office. While there are different stories about the origin of the city's name, it's believed he named it Mary Esther, after his daughters, Mary and Esther. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Florida's Highway 98.
Thank you very much.